Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about why bargain box reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online portal which is based in United States that deals with wholesale boxes and new pallets. And if you want to look at the exclusive collection of the site, then you can take a look here. And this company is offering various boxes, or you can say wholesale boxes, including premium Amazon returns wholesale clothing box, Target clothing wholesale box, premium Lowe's return wholesale box, and premium Amazon returns wholesale box. And here are the images of new pallets, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now let's talk about the payment information, and you can see the company accepts credit card or wire transfer including Amex, Apple Pay, GPay, JCB, Visa, etc. Now talking about the shipping policy of this website, you need to visit the FAQ section, and here you can get the info related to shipping policy, and the exact shipping duration will be 3 to 5 business days, which do not include weekends and holidays, guys. Now let's talk about other information, but before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. Guys, this site is protected through HTTPS protocol, which is a good sign. Apart from that, this site has an SSL certificate, which makes the site secure to access. So this is the positive sign which define its legitimacy. Apart from that, when it comes to the domain information, the domain name was created on 26th of February 2020. So guys, this site is 1 year old, and it shows that this website is a genuine website. But before making any decision, let's explore the entire information and let's visit the About Us page to know more about this website. So whybargain.com is the best way to find a liquidation goods from the top retailers worldwide, and they have mentioned the business offering information, but I'm not able to view the business establishment year info and brand connection info, which is a negative sign, guys. Anyways, moving to the contact us details, they have provided the enough contact details that define its legitimacy. Apart from that, the email which is available on the web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. They have also mentioned the working hours, official address, and warehouse hours of operations. Apart from that, you can connect with the customer representatives of the company via query form by putting your query and sending a message. So this is again a positive sign. Now talking about the social media presence, the site has social media presence on Facebook and Instagram, which defines that the site has good trustworthiness score and strong online presence. Now talking about the return policy of the site, no returns and refunds are available, guys. You can see they have mentioned that all sales are strictly final, no returns or exchanges. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding this. And talking about why bargain box reviews, we have found positive comments or reviews on the internet. One of the customers said, just purchased, so excited after getting 3 boxes last month. I am hooked. The quality is so good and ultimate. Highly recommend for resellers. So this was the positive comment by a verified user, guys. Apart from that, the company is offering some winners prizes, and they are dealing with majority of wholesale boxes. So this is a positive sign here. And guys, apart from that, the trust index score of the site is 60%, which is good. So we can say that the old domain age factor or the website popularity and good ranking on Alexa makes the site quite legit, and this site is a legit website, guys. So yes, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. I'll get back to you with another review. And thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.